for talking on the phone. These phrases will help you build strong and confident phone conversations. Introduction. If you're nervous about talking on the phone in English, don't worry. Here are 5 simple phrases to help you sound confident and professional. Phrase 1. Hello, this is PallaviAnand speaking. Or you may say hello, this is followed by your name. This is a polite and professional way to start any phone call. It lets the other person know who they are speaking with right away. Phrase 2. Could you repeat that please? Use this if you didn't hear something clearly. It's polite and keeps the conversation smooth. Phrase 3. May I know who's calling? This phrase is perfect for answering unknown calls politely and professionally. Phrase 4. Please hold the line. Use this when you need the caller to wait for a moment. It's polite and shows good phone etiquette. Phrase 5. I'll get back to you soon. This is a professional way to end the call or postpone a delayed response. Conclusion. Practice these phrases and you'll sound confident on every phone call. Which phrase will you try first? Comment below, like, share and subscribe. Happy learning!